Some improper techniques used when doing the kettlebell swing is one, people start with their legs too close together, and when they bring the weight back, they'll hit themselves in their thighs, which is not good and dangerous. Some people will start with their legs too far apart, and they'll throw the weight way up above their head or way out behind them like that, which you don't want to do because it puts a lot of stress on your lower lumbar region. You want to make sure your chest, a lot of people have their chest going up and down, which is bad. It's a negative way to do the kettlebell swing. Other times people will try to do it with their elbows bending. You want to try and keep your arms as straight out as possible. If you bend your elbows, then the weight tends to drop and causes a herky-jerky movement on your elbows, your wrists, and your shoulders. And you want to try and make the movement as fluid as possible. And those are the typical errors when performing a kettlebell swing.